Hello everyone, welcome to Basics e-Learning. I am going to solve CBSE NCERT textbook for class 10 with a detailed explanation for all the chapters. This is the fourth subsection. Problem goes like this. Meena went to a bank to withdraw 2000 rupees. She wanted the cashier to give her 50 rupees and 100 rupees notes only. Meena got 25 notes in all. Find how many notes of 50s and 100s she received, right? So she went to bank to withdraw the money, total of 2000 rupees, and she asked she want only in 50s and 100s, right? So totally she got 25 notes. Then how many 50s and how many 100s? That is the question, right? So from the given two statements, we can write the two equations, linear equations. See here, let us say the number of 50 rupees notes be X. Similarly, number of 100 rupees notes be Y. And they are telling total of 25 notes, means number of 50 rupees notes plus number of 100 rupees notes, totally she got it as 25. So X plus Y is equal to 25. That is the first equation, right? Then second statement is she got 2000 rupees. Totally she got 2000 rupees. So number of 50 rupees notes multiplied by its denotion plus 100 into Y similarly is equal to total she got the money as 2000. So this is your second statement, right? So that is 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000 is the second equation. So if you observe from the first equation and second equation, the constants of any of the variable is not equal. So I will multiply equation number 1 with 100 such that the second term, the y constant will be equal, right? So that I will write 100x plus 100y is equal to 2500, 25 into 100, right? So next I will write the second equation, 50x plus 100y is equal to 2000. Now we can subtract these two equations, right? So here I am writing this, changing the sign of the second equation. Now this one of the constant is eliminated, right? So 100 minus 50, here it will be 50x is equal to 500 we'll get. So x is equal to 10, right? So once you get x value as 10, x plus y is equal to 25 in the first equation, I will get y is equal to 10 plus y is equal to 25, means y is equal to 25 minus 10, 15 I will get, right? So number of 50 rupees notes, x is equal to 10 notes, and number of 100 rupees notes, y is equal to 15 notes. That you write and put a box around. For more videos, please do like, share, subscribe to our channel. Let us know your suggestions and queries in the comment box. Thank you.